The product that I've been using the last few weeks and the product that I'm going to use is, it's the Global Gloss Medium and Varnish. I don't use it as a pouring medium. I might put a squirt of it into each colour of paint after I've mixed them with my pouring medium. And it does kind of leave the canvas glossy enough to probably not even have to worry about doing a gloss coat. But I make this up now. I've been starting to make this up just in a container. I just give a good, I've made it in a container so I can just keep reusing it. So all I do is I put it in a container and I just add a very small amount of water. I don't measure it or anything. I've had a very small amount of water and I stir it up. So I find if I water it down, I can do several coats of spreading it with my cloth. This particular one I have added, which I love to do, the dragonfly glaze. It's just, see that sparkle? It doesn't really matter what colour you use of the dragonfly glaze, because when you add a little bit of it to your varnish, it's got this U-Beaut super duper like holographic sparkling effect. So I like to add it to my varnish and stir it in. This is quite white, but it does dry clear. I'll show you. And then I always keep just a lint-free cloth, and I keep it in an airtight container, which is, I've used that one. So I just give it a squeeze out because I just put a little bit of water in with it to keep it moist, and then I just leave it like that. I just literally pour a bit of the pouring medium on my work. This is so simple to coat your work and leaves it really nice and glossy depending on the coats. You can all see the sparkle happening in there, and then I just literally wipe it over my canvas. So there's my name there. I've also got my name on the side of it if you want to sign your work before you sell. That was probably too much pouring medium, gloss. That's way too much because I better quickly get another one. And it's literally just using your damp cloth to wipe over your work. Now dry out nicely, so I'll quickly go over. I'm not even pouring any more onto this, I'm just wiping it. You literally wipe it over as though you're cleaning it, and it will dry nice and clear, and in about 15 minutes you can literally coat over again because it dries very quickly. So I used to do this method with the fusion pouring resin, which I still do sometimes, but I've just found that's probably more economical. It's made in Australia. I can get it easy, and I think it's sold on Amazon worldwide too. So I will put the link below for that. So that's easy peasy lemon squeezy varnishing of your work. So that'll dry clear. It really makes the colours pop in your work, and it gives a lovely finish, but not too reflective. Like resin can really give a reflective finish that can sometimes take away from your work.